Welcome to our ultimate guide to earwax removal. In this video, we'll show you how to safely clear your ears and maintain good ear hygiene. Earwax, also known as cerumen, is a natural substance produced by your body to protect your ears from dust and dirt. But if it builds up, it can cause discomfort, hearing problems, and even infections. First, let's talk about what not to do. Avoid using cotton swabs to clean your ears, as they can push the wax deeper and damage your eardrums. Instead, follow these safe and effective methods. Method 1. Softening the wax. Drop a few drops of mineral oil or hydrogen peroxide into your ear canal. Gently tilt your head and let it sit for a few minutes. This will help soften the wax and make it easier to remove. Method 2. Flushing the wax out. Fill a bulb syringe or a specialized ear cleaning bottle with warm water. Gently squirt the water into your ear canal and allow it to drain out. This will flush out the loosened wax. Method 3. Over-the-counter ear drops. There are various over-the-counter drops available that specifically help dissolve earwax. Follow the instructions on the packaging for safe and effective use. If you're still experiencing discomfort or if the wax blockage persists, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. They can safely remove the excess wax using specialized tools and techniques, ensuring your ears are clean and healthy. Remember, earwax is normal and necessary, but when it becomes a problem, it's important to address it properly. Take care of your ears and enjoy clear hearing. Thanks for watching our ultimate guide to earwax removal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video.